Hello friends, is your car showing a check engine light and when you scan it you get code P0630? This means your vehicle identification number VIN is missing or incorrect in the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. A wrong VIN can cause performance issues, difficulty in diagnosing other problems, and even prevent your car from starting. In this video, I'll explain what P0630 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0630? The P0630 code stands for VIN Not Programmed or Mismatch ECM PCM. This means the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, or Engine Control Module, ECM, does not have the correct VIN stored. This issue can happen after replacing the PCM, ECU, or due to an incorrect programming attempt. Common symptoms of P0630. Check engine light on issues with vehicle registration or emissions testing. Difficulty diagnosing other codes, potential problems with security systems, immobilizer issues. In some cases the engine may not start. If you're facing these problems, let's locate the affected components. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0630, check these key components. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location, under the hood, near the firewall, or inside the passenger cabin under the dashboard. Function, stores the VIN and controls engine functions. Engine Control Module, ECM, if separate from PCM location, usually mounted on the side of the engine or near the battery. Function, manages fuel injection, ignition, and emissions. Body Control Module, BCM. Location, behind the dashboard, near the glove box or center console. Function, works with the PCM to verify vehicle identity and security. obd2 port. Location, under the dashboard on the driver's side. Function, used to scan and reprogram the VIN. Vehicle identification number VIN. Plate, location, visible at the bottom of the windshield on the driver's side or inside the door frame. Function, the official ID of your vehicle. Tip, if you recently replaced the PCM or ECM, the new module might not be programmed with the correct VIN. Common causes of P0630 PCM or ECM replacement without proper programming. If a new module is installed but not updated with the VIN mismatch due to incorrect programming, a mistake during software updates, corrupted PCM-ECM software bugs or memory failure can delete the VIN, security system issues, immobilizer problems. The car's anti-theft system may prevent the engine from starting, wiring or communication errors, if the PCM isn't getting correct data from the vehicle's network. How to fix P0630. Step 1. Check the VIN on the dashboard and inside the driver's door frame. Make sure it matches your vehicle documents. Step 2. Use an obd2 scanner to read the VIN stored in the PCM-ECM. If it's missing or incorrect, it needs reprogramming. Step 3. Reprogram the VIN using a professional scan tool. This can be done using dealership software or advanced diagnostic tools. Step 4. Check for software updates. If the PCM has corrupted software, update it. Step 5. Inspect the wiring between the PCM and BCM. A bad connection can prevent VIN communication. Step 6. Perform a relearn procedure. Some vehicles require a reset after reprogramming. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive the vehicle. If the VIN is programmed correctly, the code should not return. Ignoring P0630 can lead to registration issues, difficulty diagnosing future problems, and even prevent your car from starting. Fixing this issue ensures your vehicle is properly identified and runs without problems. For more troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0514. Battery temperature sensor circuit high. P0515. Battery temperature sensor circuit low. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.